Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Touching Chocolate. So I'm gonna go another long talking, but today we're going to Florida 52, which is at Golden Spring in Sebastian's Plaza. So there's music playing, so I don't know someone I got really, isn't me? So yeah, I don't know why now zoom up, but so as we entered into the restaurant, you can see the name of the restaurant. On the left, they had a little fountain, like a little spring. Yes, it was so beautiful and calming. Look at the time that I reach home. Look at the time. Rotted some old man in the back of me. I'm afraid that all drunken people, you know. Because I don't know their motives. Because when Ray and nephew are talking to people, I be things them go with. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell to be notified. Ladder 52 going with itself tonight. We could full joy ourselves. How we want to full joy ourselves because we went to a party first and then we'll go to that. Then we'll go get something to eat. But it going with itself. And I want to do another review of it, but in daylight. So yeah, I basically 12 o'clock now. 12 o'clock, I come to the gate and 12 o'clock.